Are you a lover of shortbread cookies? Well, this video is just for you. I have perfected this recipe. I'm happy to be sharing it with you guys, and I know you are going to love it too. So right now, I'm just softening up my butter. In here, I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is a special ingredient for the perfect shortbread cookies. I have a video of how I made this coconut oil. It's on my channel. You can check it out later. So I just drizzled that into the butter and smeared everything together nicely. Next, I'm going to be adding in my sugar, and I'm going to mix everything properly together. Next, I'm going in with my icing sugar. I made this icing sugar myself at home by crushing in sugar cubes and cornstarch. Now I'm just going to mix everything properly together. Going with your flour, your cornstarch, and your milk flavor. Mix everything properly together and mold it up into a ball just like this. Wrap that up in a cling film and put it in the refrigerator for it to rest for an hour. Now it's out of the refrigerator and I've formed fingers from it. Let me show you how. Scoop out a ball with your washed and clean hands. You're going to roll it up just like this. Now flatten it with your palm. With a knife, you're just going to cut out a small rectangular finger just like this. I'm going to be repeating that process for you guys, so watch properly. It's obviously not going to be the same and perfect, but trust me guys, it will bake just fine. Now using your fork, you're going to poke in holes into the shortbread. This is to allow steam to come out of it and harden it up a bit. I also made circular shaped and heart shaped cookies. Let me show you how. So I'm just going to roll up a small ball just like this, flatten it up with my pan and make a heart shape out of it. For the circular shaped ones, I just rolled it up into a small ball and flattened it with my palm, and that was it. Now I'm just going to bake all these cookies. And there you have it guys, our cookies are ready. I hope you tried this recipe. I trust you are going to love it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!